subject of this video is how to use OneNote effectively. Grab your coffee and let's get started. OneNote has been around since 2003. It's fairly well known. It has some great functionality for capturing content. You can type in content, you can add images, video, you can use voice dictation, capture audio from meetings. People use it for procedural documentation, meeting notes, a variety of different things. In this video, I'm going to show you some more tips and tricks for using OneNote to improve your productivity. So there is no right or wrong way for using OneNote. OneNote is available for your laptop, your iPhone, your desktop. You can really capture your ideas, write procedural documentation, run meetings from anywhere with those devices. I've run meetings from airports and coffee shops when I'm traveling, and OneNote facilitates that sort of work style because it allows you to capture text, it allows you to dictate, it allows you to capture audio, and bring documents together and share them with your team. So let's create a notebook. So click on Notebooks, create new notebook, select a color, and let's enter a name, and you can see that OneDrive is already selected. Always use OneDrive when you're creating a notebook. This way you can access it from any device. You can share it with people. It's just more portable to do it this way. To view the most recent, over to the left, just under the magnifying glass, click on the clock, and it'll show you the most recent edits that you've made. To use the dictation function, click on the dictate icon and then speak into your microphone. Use a good quality microphone. I'll have a section on good microphones. Also make sure that it's not too noisy in the location that you're dictating, as it will pick it up and mess up your dictation. To insert audio, click on Insert and then Audio Recording, and then speak into your microphone. If you're on an iPad, you can click on the microphone icon and record that way. To link to a meeting, go to the page, click on Meeting Details. Over to the right, you will see a drop-down appear. Click on the meeting date, then select the meeting, and then click Select. To share, click on the share icon in the upper right corner, and then enter the person's email address. Click a note. You can also send a PDF if you like. So select the email address, enter a quick note so they know what the share is about. And when you're done, click Send. To draw, click on the Draw menu item, select your pen and your color, and you can just start drawing away. You have different color selections. You have different thicknesses you can work with. You can switch between your pen and your text mode. I tend to use an iPad with a pen. I find it easier to draw and text at the same time. It's up to you. It all depends on how you like to work. Tags help you search. You can tag notes, pages, and then search on those tags to make it easier to locate things. So let's create a tag. So enter a tag name, and then you can select a color as well, or a symbol. And then once you've created the tag, just move around your pages and use the tag. And let's go somewhere else and use the tag. There we go. Use the tag there. Great, Tofino. And then go to search. And you can search on text, and you can also search on tags, if you can see that there. So now you can see, based on the tag, the pages that have been tagged, the items within the pages. Very helpful, useful. To set a password, go to the page, select Notebook, Section, Set Password, enter your password, enter it again to verify it, and then click Set Password. To send an email to OneNote, click on the email, click on the ellipses, click on Send to OneNote, and then select the notebook, and then select the section and page. And then once you're done, click Save. Once you've clicked Save, you can then open it in a browser and see where it's been stored. To search within OneNote, you can use text or you can use tags. Click on the magnifying glass, enter some text, or you can click on the tag tab and enter a tag that you want to search on. Very powerful, very useful. Get to know how to use tags. Very helpful in finding data, especially when you have several notebooks. OneNote is a powerful tool. It allows you to capture content in a variety of formats, organize and search and share, and it also works on multiple devices. Hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.